Hi, welcome to ForSeller channel. This video will guide you how to use listing template and publish products quickly on ForSeller. Step 1. Authorize your TikTok shop in ForSeller. Click Setting button, select Integration. Tap TikTok shop icon. Fill in a custom name for your TikTok shop, and select the site country, then click Connect. The page will jump into TikTok side. You need to log in your TikTok shop to continue authorization. Step 2. Create your TikTok template. Click Listing Settings, select Listing Template. The entry for creating a TikTok template will only be displayed after authorization is completed. Click Create Template. Fill the template information, like template name and the target shop. Select the category, and the product information is allocated according to the category. Then based on the needs to add the module. Finally, fill in the required preset product information like the specifics, product certification, variant INS information, and shipping information. You can click Remove on the right to delete the module. After filling in the information, click Save. On the template list page, you can check the reference module for each template, enable or disable template, edit, duplicate or delete template. If you have multiple templates, you can search for it by name. Step 3. Apply Listings Template. Go to the TikTok draft page. Click Create button. Select the shop you set on the template. Click Reference Listing, and select Apply Listing Template, and choose Template. If you just want to apply for partial template, you can find the corresponding module to apply for it. Finally, fill in the remaining information and then click Save, or click Save and Publish. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe ForSeller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with ForSeller customer service.